What's up, everybody? So this is Hugo, and today I'm gonna talk about how you can make money while you're sleeping. So while you're laying nicely on the pillow, the money keeps rolling in. They see me rolling, they're not hating, they're trying to catch me cause I'm money. Either way, you can make money while you sleep, and I'm gonna show you two ways how to do it. I'm gonna talk about the stock market and the real estate market. I had some technical difficulties here. I got locked out of the room here I was doing it in, and my camera was here, my phone was here. So I tried to get into the room. I watched on my computer like how to break into a room. So I tried to use a key card, it didn't work. I tried to use this little thing, it didn't work either. I was building this thing, it was pretty ambitious of me, I would say, but it didn't work. So I called a police officer, he came here, he opened up, and everything was good. Either way, let's start with the stock market. The stock market, you probably heard about it. And the stock market, I'm just gonna take it as simple as possible. If you think about a stock, the stock is a slice of a pie, and the whole pie is the company. So it's basically a lot of pies floating around there in the air, and you can buy a slice of pie. As simple as that. So what should you think about when you're buying a slice of pie then, Hugo? This is what you should think about. Never buy a stock that you don't understand. Don't buy things you don't understand. If it's some super hard technology or some new medicine that you don't understand, don't buy it. Just stay away. Buy things you understand. My second advice, buy things you use or the people around you use, that your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, buy things they use. So things that you see or think that people will use. Don't just buy something that some guy somewhere, some girl somewhere just said, oh, buy this, and then you bought it. It's like, don't do that. My last advice, buy things from you think will stay in the future. Buy things that you think will stick around. That's, okay, I think this will be around. Buy those things. All right, so I'm gonna give you 3 stocks that I think that you can buy today and keep almost forever. You know, the thing about the stock market is it can go up and down like a roller coaster, like boom, 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 woo, like a snake. And the thing I want to give you is 3 stocks that I think will stay here in the long term. So if they go down a little bit, they'll probably go up in the long run, and they will pay you dividends also. Dividends is basically the company send you a check. So if you have a piece of that, you get a little check in your mail, which is nice. It's nice to get cash, like that. So either way, let's start. Disney. I think Disney will be around like forever. Not forever, but they will be around for a long ass time. And they're a great company. They have a lot of amusement parks. They produces great movies that I grew up with, and I love them. They're a great company, and I think they will stick around. My second company is the best software company, like not software, soft drinks company in the world. So let me guess what you're thinking. Are you thinking about Coke? Then we're thinking about the same, because I'm thinking about Coke. Coke is a great company to buy. I don't think their sodas will go away in the near future, so I think you can buy them and you can utilize and make money from it. So my second is Coke. My third one is Pepsi. And you're thinking, but you just said buy Coke. It's the best damn company in the world in soft drinks, you said. But now you're saying I should buy Pepsi. Yeah, because Pepsi has also a great soft drink, but they have a good restaurants below it. So it's like, think about this. They are like big ass company. They have so much more than just soft drinks. So there you go. You have 3 stocks that you can buy. Let's get into real estate, but before, my nose is super itchy. Before we get in there, I just want to say this is 3 simple basic things. One of them is more advanced, and I will start with this one. Or let's finish with this one. Okay, so the first one you can do to make money is just to find a roommate, cut your cost. Find someone to live with. If you're living alone, or if you're thinking maybe we're living 2 people here, maybe get a third roommate, get a second roommate. Then you cut down the cost and you don't have to pay as much anymore. My second advice for you guys is, as you know, you can buy a house, you can buy a property, or you can rent a property to live around. But maybe you know someone who has a house or has a property or has something that they not use, a room, a place, and it's just empty. Try start an Airbnb business. I talked to my grandpa because he's not living in our place anymore, and right now we have an Airbnb business together, and it's going okay. It's going pretty good. We had our first customers this Christmas, and they gave us 5-star rating, which was really nice. They was happy, and see if you can talk to someone who has somewhere and you can maybe work together to create an Airbnb business. My third advice for real estate, which is a little bit harder, a little bit more complex, which I want to do sometime, which I think you guys should also do, but look into it before you do it. Just don't go out there. It's buying a property and fixing it up. So when you gotta buy something cheap that needs to fix up in a good location and then you sell it for more. I think that's, oh, my nose. It's, you can make money from that, but it's harder. I would say start off with the finding maybe a roommate in the real estate or maybe Airbnb business. But if you want to know more about fixing up property and selling them, you should research more about it before you're getting, because this is very simple video. It's not in detail at all. But either way, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge now. Okay, so this is my challenge, the Hugo challenge. So my challenge is for you to go out and buy a stock that pays dividend that you think that will be there in the next 10 years, next 20 years, maybe next 100 years. Comment below and let me know what stock you think will survive in 100 years. If it's some companies I haven't mentioned, let me know, and comment below and tell me a stock that you think will survive from 100 years from now, a company that you think will be here 100 years from now. And maybe if we're lucky and we can see it, maybe we all will be 100 years and then we can come together, have a few software drinks if Coke's still around, and enjoy our time. But either way, my challenge to you guys is to go, if you live in America, open up a Robinhood account and go in and buy your own share. And if you're living in Sweden, go to Avanza, open up an account and buy a share. And that's my challenge for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, hit the subscribe button, tell your friends, tell your families, tell you about the Hugo challenge to buy stocks. Tell them, just tell them that. Tell them. And you might think I only have $500 now, Hugo. How can I get rich from that? Oh, my nose again. It's like a ladder. So you gotta start somewhere. So we start at the bottom, then we're climbing upwards, and they keep going, and then we hit the next level. And then from there we go to the next ladder, and we keep going. It just keep building, and boom, you're rich before you know it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the door, the motherfucking door. The door that locked me out. So here it is. I was basically here, and this door was closed, and I was trying to get in here. I was like, it didn't work at all. Like you see, I don't know. It didn't work, at least. Yeah, it sucked because I was locked out there for a while. But either way, I have two things for you now. Comment in this comment and let me know about a stock that you think will be here from 100 years from now. Second of all, go and buy your own stock. Buy one stock. Take a risk. Just see what happens. See what happens. Buy a Coke share. Keep it for years. Buy one stock share and see what happens. One share. That's all I'm saying. Just one share. I think if you want to buy a Disney, it's around 116, 115 right now. It's a Sunday, so it will open up tomorrow on a different price. Either way, Coke shares and Pepsi shares I think is cheaper, if I remember it right. I think Coke is probably around price range 40 to 60 maybe, and Pepsi I can't remember really. But either way, go out there and buy a share. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, give me feedback, tell me what you think, and I hope you get a great week. I hope you kill Monday, I hope you kill Tuesday, and I hope you just enjoy it and there's amazing weather, and I hope you're happy. Take care, everybody.